Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the OCTO weed brush by RATIOPARTS. This here is a nice thing to clean your pathways. It fits on all brush cutters from 25 ccm and of course battery power supply too, with blade mounting. If you have a blade mounting on your brush cutter, you are able to attach this device here. It is made of high quality aluminium. It's really easy to assemble. Once assembled, the nylon lines can be replaced with or without disassembly. It removes weeds in an ecological and environmentally friendly way. That means ecological solution without chemicals. Eco-sensitive product, so it is. It's ideal for removal of moss and weeds on paved surfaces, curbs, etc. Damage or scratching of the ground is avoided. The set comes included the nylon lines, but you can buy the nylon lines easily separately. One set of washers and spacer washers are included too, one of each 20 to 25.4 and 4 to 2 millimeters, 8.5 to 35 to 3 millimeter, and 10.5 to 35 to 3 millimeter, 12.5 to 35 to 3 millimeter. And we have one locking pin, diameter is 6 millimeter. The hole diameter in millimeter is 20 and 25.4. The OD is in millimeter 83 millimeters. So it will matches to nearly all brush cutters out there. A brush cutter, also called a brush saw or a clearing saw, is a powered garden or agricultural tool used to trim weeds, small trees, and other foliage not accessible by a lawnmower or rotary mower. Various blades or trimmer heads can be attached to the machine for specifications applications. A power unit held close to the body, a pole through which its power is transmitted, and a rotary cutting head at the opposite end of the pole of the power unit, and then you can attach it there. On the market are gas engines, brush cutters, either 2 or 4 stroke are used on the more powerful units, or we have electric motor connectors to mains powered by a power cord, or cordless electric motors powered by rechargeable batteries, like here in my case. I'm using for this a cordless electric motor brush cutter, and it works really good. But I have to say, if you have not so a powerful motor, so do not insert all of the nylon lines into it. Leave 2 holes free, then attach 2 or 1 nylon line, then leave 2 holes free, and so on and so on. And then you have only the half of the nylon lines installed, and that's better for the motor. But it makes a good job and an easy job. Get it in position, tighten it to your blade mounting. After this, you are able to assemble the weed Brush OCTO into it, and then job's done. You can go on the ground and have fun with it to remove weeds in an ecological and environmentally friendly way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.